It's worth between $8,000 and $10,000. Sorry to you watch lovers that came to this video and you're like, are you really gonna destroy a Rolex?
Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln and this is Dan, and today we have a very expensive watch.
Very expensive is a good way to describe it. It is a Rolex. What's inside of a Rolex? But we also have a fake Rolex. Sometimes we have these big videos that we've been thinking about for a long time that we want to do that cost some money. We were very fortunate with this video that Dollar Shave Club decided to sponsor this video. Thanks for making this possible, because without sponsors, big projects like a Rolex don't happen. Let's check out this Rolex that Lincoln really has not seen yet. This is a beautiful Rolex box. This is legit. And here is the Rolex. Dun 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 dun, in the box. Here you go, Lincoln. There's your Rolex. What do you think about that?
Whoa, there's lots of diamonds on it.
These are real diamonds. This is a legitimate Rolex, and it's worth between $8,000 and $10,000.
Can I hold $8,000 and $10,000?
Yes, you can.
Wow, it's really cool.
Let me take off my Apple Watch and put on the most expensive watch that I've ever put on in my life.
You have it on.
That's pretty good. I don't know why something is $8,000. This is a fake one, and yes, the face is a different color, but it's also nice. It's also a nice watch. Maybe for the older generation, this is a big deal. It's really not as cool to me. So we're gonna take it apart and see the differences between the two and see if there is any difference between the fake one and the real one. All this does is looks really pretty, and it's almost like a status symbol.
How it looks more fancy, I feel like, is it just has more gold and diamonds on it.
One thing that you need to know about a Rolex is that they are made with crystal sapphire. So if you take a knife and go on here, it shouldn't scratch it. It doesn't scratch it one bit. Well, let's grab the fake one. Let's see if it passes the same test. Oh, this one does have scratches on it already, just from like it being worn or something. Thanks to our friend Daryl Leaves for hooking us up in his little studio today. Appreciate that. Let's get into this. I've got a Dremel. Maybe cut these bands off. These are made of gold and silver. Hopefully that works.
The first step to the game plan is safety is in our top 5.
Let me know in the comments if you think this is a good idea or not.
Oh, these are so...
Wait, I can't. I'm gonna cut my finger off. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. This is the cordless Dremel. It's kind of annoying. Wimps out on me. It gets freaked out. So this box, fun fact, apparently you can sell these for $300 to $500 just for the box.
It's crazy.
I don't get it. This band, should we do a little durability test on this version of the Rolex? If I just pull it, that came out, and that came out. I don't know if it's meant to do that. Let's do the test, the glass test. The fake versus the real Rolex. How durable is the glass? This is your life-saving USB. You can cut your seatbelt with this, and then you can puncture this on the window. You just go, bam, and it cuts it like that. It's supposed to smash it because you pull back on it and somehow smashes it. Let's try it, see if it works on this. Oh! Did you see that?
It just punctured it and just went right through.
There's a hole in this one. This is the fake one. Oh my gosh. Okay. Will this thing break crystal sapphire? I'm a little nervous now. Here we go.
Oh, that was shocking.
It was surprising. It didn't feel like it was gonna work. Okay, you push it. Oh!
What?
It didn't even make a scratch on it. Let's try it again.
Oh, it's not as big as the other one, but it's still a snowflake.
Yeah, right in the center. I did it right in the center. Oh, poor Rolex.
No way.
Well, it will hold up stronger than the fake one a little bit. This glass just feels like cheap.
What
Look
is
at it come
this?
off. Little
What is
plastic.
this?
There's your Rolex face.
Good.
To get into it, into the backside, I have some official tools. You put it on the back of the watch and then you twist it. This is the proper way to get into a watch.
They have really pokey things too.
Here we are. We're into the back of it.
Whoa. Look how many moving things there are
There's a
inside
lot of
there.
moving parts, aren't there? All of these are connected. There's so many parts in here. So looking up close, there's not much of a difference between the two. And so this is a very good fake. This fake is about $300 to $500. That's pretty good for a fake.
For a fake?
Yeah.
That's an Apple Watch right there.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Maybe we're already seeing why it's fake. Look at this. This whole section was just falling out. Oh my gosh. This definitely is an art to get inside of here and fix every one of these miniature gears. We're gonna do it. We might have to time lapse this because there's lots of little tiny screws and I don't really like screws. I like destroying things. Okay, we lost this. This is like the actual thing that goes back and forth. And look at the spring that's attached to that. That's a cool design. Like some of the metal looks kind of like carbon fiber because they've had to spin it so tightly. I don't have the patience. I could never be a watchmaker. These are all coming off because they're not attached. They don't have screws holding them down, but typically this makes the rest of them spin. Can confirm there are thousands of parts inside. Screws.
Stuff I don't know
Little
about.
tiny pieces of them. Do not take apart somebody's Rolex. This Rolex is definitely dead. We are not going to be getting any money back for this, and we're not going to be seeing any more time. But thanks to our sponsors, Dollar Shave Club, you can save money and time with your daily grooming needs. I know a lot of you guys might think of them just as a razor company, but in reality, they have all of your grooming needs, from brushing your teeth to hair gel. This kit is going to be given away as a daily essential starter kit to new members for only $5. Right now, if you use the code dollarshaveclub.com/whatsinside, you can get a kit for $5 that gives you all of your grooming needs. Replacement cartridges are sent for only a few bucks a month after that. The nice thing is you're not really sacrificing quality for the price. If you go to Dollar Shave Club, it does support our channel.
Thanks for
What Lincoln said. Exactly.
Thanks for sponsoring this video.
That's what he was gonna
Thanks
say. Yeah.
Thanks for sponsoring this video, Dollar Shave Club.
If any of you guys want this thing, follow us on social because I think we're just gonna give it away. It does have some diamonds on it. It's still good in some way. Not good as keeping time, but we'll give this to you guys.
It's still really cool.
It is cool.
Goodbye.
Adios.
Goodbye. Whoa. You just time traveled.
I don't get it.